So in today's digital world, having a Google business profile is one of the most powerful assets you can have in terms of attracting more customers. But the problem that we see more often than not is a lot of businesses are not taking advantage of its key features. So here's some things that you can start doing today to make sure that you're getting max potential from your Google business profile. Number one, claim your business profile. This is what's gonna allow you to verify, edit, and manage all your information and have access to your business profile on Google. Once you've created or accessed your listing, make sure you go through each of the sections and complete them fully. Be very meticulous with your contact information because we see it happen all the time where there's just one number wrong or one letter missing from the URL, which can delay your optimization process. Make sure you take the time to select your primary and secondary categories. Google uses these categories to display what businesses are most relevant to prospective customer search. So your primary category is the most important category, and then make sure you also select other categories as your secondary categories that may have relevance to your business. The next thing you want to do is make sure all the proper attributes for your business are marked off. Attributes are features that your business has. So for example, if you're a restaurant, you may want to mark off the feature of dine-in, delivery, or takeout. Make sure you go through all the attributes because this is what helps customers find the businesses that match their search results. Write a complete business description. This is your opportunity to tell customers what makes your business unique and stand out. This is your value proposition and you do not want to leave it blank. Be sure to include relevant keywords in this description, but also make it clear and concise that it's not too redundant. So after getting these foundational pieces set up, you'll want to update and maintain your Google business profile to make sure you're getting the most momentum. You can start to do this by publishing posts on your business profile consistently. Share any announcements, updates, or upcoming events that your business may have, and this is going to keep your listing fresh and up to date for prospective customers. Make sure you're also taking the time to upload photos to your business profile consistently. This is going to give customers an idea what your business is all about. Photos are an important part of your business profile. So make sure you're taking the time to upload photos consistently, as this is what's going to give customers a good sense of what your business is about and what it has to offer. And make sure the photos are high quality. You do not want to be representing your business in a bad way. Make sure you're answering any questions that come in from customers in a punctual but also thorough manner. This includes collecting and responding to reviews, whether they be positive or negative. And lastly, make sure you add all of your products and services and set up messaging for your business. With all of these optimizations, you can turn your business profile into one of the best free customer acquisition tools that you didn't even know that you had. So what are you waiting for? Go get started and maximize your online presence using Google My Business.